You know what time it is. It's Martin Midlife Misadventure time. Oh yeah. And this is an awesome prepping channel if you haven't already been over and checked it out. They come up with some great ideas and sharing with you how to do a better job on keeping that pantry full and doing it on a budget, and how to cook from the pantry and make budget-friendly meals. Go check it out. Great channel. I've been watching them for quite some time.
You know what time it is? Prepping time. Now, I didn't go buy any groceries last week, not even bread or milk. We had so much food around here, there was no reason to go to the store. And it's not saving you any money if you are throwing food away. So, this here is what I'm buying. I went a little over this week because of that, but not much considering what I bought. You're going to be amazed at all the things I bought, and not very much was even on sale, just by carefully shopping the grocery store. Okay, let's start with the Raisin Bran cereal. I bought 3. That's really stocking up. The reason why I did that, I'm going to show you in another video how much some prices are going up. And when you find a good price, or you know that it's going to go up soon, and these are not going to go bad, I stocked up. I have 1 full box from the last time I went shopping because I bought 2, and this week I bought 3. So I have 4 boxes now that are not even open. That will last me for months because I don't eat cereal every day either. And we're not big cereal or milk. And I got 1 small milk. We have no children, it's just me and my husband. We just use the milk in cooking or in cereal. That's it. And that will last at least a week, sometimes longer. I always get my husband his popsicles he loves, so I bought 2 of those. I bought yogurt because he eats yogurt almost every day. So usually I buy 2, but we already have 1 here, so I just bought 1. Some of this stuff you can't let sit too long, it'll go bad. I bought enough meat for 2 weeks. I bought hamburger meat, so there's over a pound in this package and a little over a pound in this package too. And that's fine. This bigger one I'm going to divide into 2 meals or 2 different recipes, because usually when I make something it lasts for 3 or 4 days. I did buy chicken because I wanted to make some chicken soup, and I wanted to make some lemon chicken too. So this only has 1 chicken breast in each package, so that's what 1 chicken breast costs. 1. But they're very large, and I can cut them in half and make several meals out of them. I got 1 head of lettuce for my husband's salads, and I bought 4 avocados for me, and that will make at least 4 to 6 sandwiches for me. And so there's lunch right there for the week almost. And 1 cucumber and 2 apples. We have a lot more fruit coming up, just showing you what would fit on this little tiny table. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and show you what I'm going to share next. We're still working on the same grocery haul. Okay, we have the sour cream. That should last, it says, until the 14th of November, and I'm sure it will last all that time. I did buy some V8. It was $2 more than it was a few weeks ago because we didn't buy any groceries last week, so I bought 1, but I'm going to have to cut down on how often I buy it. The price had not really went up. They had dropped a half an ounce off it, or an ounce off of the container. Now they've raised it by $2. So things are going up. You can't do nothing about it. At least we can still get what we need. I got my husband some ham. It has went up about 20 cents in the last couple of months altogether. And we bought him 3 packages. That should last at least a week or 2 also. And he bought him another package of cheese, and that'll make 16 sandwiches because it has 16 slices. I was all out of bread, hadn't bought any bread in 2 weeks, so I bought a package of Wonder Bread. I bought a loaf of shepherd bread, and I will probably eat half of it and freeze half for the next week. And I put that on with my avocado, and it makes a great avocado sandwich. Then I bought some hamburger buns that were on special today, and they look really good and yummy. They're put out by Ballpark. I don't know if you can read it, it's so bad. Let me see if I can straighten it up a little. By Ballpark, and it's everything hamburger buns. And they were pretty reasonable price, so I bought a package. There's 8 buns in there, so I will probably freeze half for another week, and then my husband can eat sloppy joes with the other half. I'm going to be making something new and different this week on my cooking, and it called for mushrooms, so Grandma bought some mushrooms. I do like mushrooms, and I do like eating them. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but if you buy them once a month, you can afford anything. I bought 1 fresh tomato because my husband likes the big beef tomatoes, and I bought the Stater Brother brand of miniature marshmallows, and that will last probably about 3 or 4 meals or desserts. I did have quite a bit here left for another one, but the grandkids came over and ate them all up. And you know, I don't care. They can have anything they want when they come. So now let's go see what else Grandma got. Well, it's still the same shopping haul. We're still sharing what we got. I don't know if I needed any or not, but my husband was asking, and I'd rather have too much than not have any and have to run back to the store and spend more money. So I bought 2 cans of tomato paste and 3 cans of tomato sauce. I'm sure I have some already in the pantry, but now I have a little more. Keep stocking up. I bought 2 cans of pineapple. I had plenty of other canned fruits still in the pantry. I always try to have plenty of stuff in there that's canned because I do buy a lot of fresh also every week, but it never hurts to have something you can just grab and make something with. And I got these little freezer Ziploc bags. These are, I don't know if they're Stater Brothers brand or they're an off-brand. But anyway, they were 80 bags for the price of 25 of the Ziplocs, plus $1. So I thought it was worth buying them. If I don't like them, I won't buy them again. And we got 2 cans of chili, so there's 2 meals. And he got 4 cans of his chicken soup. Well, I'll take it back. 3 cans of cream of potato soup and 1 can of minestrone soup. So there's 4 meals. He likes canned vegetables. I eat no canned vegetables because the salt. He shouldn't be on salt either, but you know, I can't do anything about it if he sneaks a can in, and he did. And sweet relish he wanted, and I'm pretty sure we had one here, but he insisted we didn't, so not going to argue with him. Got another one. I got these puddings that were on sale, and my husband likes the rice pudding and I like the tapioca. So we got one of each. And I also got 1 whipped topping for Stater Brothers brand, and I use it for a lot of different reasons and a lot of different uses, and it's only $1, so it's not bad to add more flavor. Got him 2 more of the sugar-free punches. We're moving right along, aren't we, guys? And we're still not done. Well, here's another new product I have never heard of or seen before. We'll do a little video on how we liked it and how we thought it tasted, probably later on. This will not be in this video, though. It's already running a little long, as you can see. We had a lot of things to share today. Got a couple red apples here, and here's a couple more apples. Sorry I'm not taking these out of the bag. I'm already getting tired. And here is 4 red pears. They're my favorite. So I bought 4 of them. And another one of my favorites is cherries. So I bought a bag of that. They're still in season out here, and they're on sale. So I bought that. We buy potatoes usually at least once a month, and I bought a bag of potatoes too. As you can see, this was a very, very big shopping haul today. Now, do you want to see how much I spent? You're not going to believe it.